Hi, Kelsey.
Hello.
Where are we?
We are on the Tuscolo, just outside of Frascati, south of Rome.
How often do you go on hikes?
Not often enough. I used to go on hikes every weekend before I had kids, but now not so much.
Besides hiking, what's your favorite way to wind down?
I like to sing, I like to dance, I take Zumba classes, and I like a glass of wine.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Optimistic, yet realistic.
How long have you lived in Italy?
14 years.
American coffee or Italian espresso?
Italian espresso when in Rome, American coffee in America.
Do you like cooking?
Cooking is a means to an end. I like to eat.
Do you have a favorite Italian dish?
Carbonara. Nope. Spaghetti with clams. I like them all.
What's the last country you visited?
Germany for work.
What country would you like to visit next?
Namibia.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
Cracking knuckles. Ugh.
Name 3 things that make you happy.
Being outside in nature, my family, and food.
Do you have a guilty pleasure?
Pleasure should never be guilty.
What makes you nervous?
Being on camera.
How do you get camera ready?
I do my research.
Do you have a hidden talent?
No.
What was your first job?
I was a babysitter when I was 11, but my first real job was as a barista in a coffee bar.
What's the most exciting thing about your current job?
Getting the opportunity to talk with people who are really passionate about what they do.
Tell us about a memorable career moment.
I think the first time I saw a satellite in the clean room and standing next to something that I knew was going to be going into space.
In Italian, tell us how you're planning on escaping the Roman heat this summer.
Odio caldo, vado in galles.
And last question, what advice would you give an AUR student?
To don't give up, don't be afraid, and do what makes you happy. Check out this view.